Welcome back, Jags. I'm Gabe Sturz.
And I'm Rowland.
I hope everyone had a great finish to Try 1.
Hey Gabe, Try 2 means the start of basketball season. Have you been to any games yet?
Actually, I have. They're always a good time.
Yeah, it's going to be a great season.
Let's head to Joe Switzer to hear more about our school's basketball teams.
With winter starting, that means basketball season is underway. Let's go ahead and talk to the players to see more about this great sport.
Our goal this year is to win state, and then I'd say a strength that we have is our team chemistry because we're all really good friends, so it just gets everybody going. And then come to our game this Thursday, December 12th at Kennedy at 7.
Now let's talk to the players and see their favorite memory as well as their favorite coach from basketball.
Okay, my favorite coach is Coach Eric because he's so fun and uplifting. And my favorite memory is our St. Cloud Sleepaway Tournament.
My favorite coach is Coach Mitch. He's very energetic and loves to get in practice with us. And my favorite memory is captain's practice.
My favorite coach is Coach Evans. And my favorite memory from basketball is winning 2 games in a row last year at the end of the year.
Wow, it was great to learn some more about basketball. Make sure to head out to some games to support the Jaguars. This has been Joe Switzer reporting for Jaguar Spots.
Oh yeah, that gets me fired up for the season. Hey Gabe, what's your favorite kind of cookie?
My favorite is chocolate chip. With the holiday season approaching, it would be great to get better at baking.
Well, let's step off the court and step into the kitchen to learn more about baking.
Let's hand it off to Jackie Stetskill to learn some more about baking and pastries.
Do you ever crave a sweet treat during the school day? If so, baking and pastries might be the perfect class for you. Let's see what they're up to.
Baking and pastries is in A100. This is my first year teaching at Jefferson High School. I love being here. It's close to home. My kids went here. I went here. The kinds of foods we make in baking and pastries are Yule logs, cream puffs, crepe, and macaron and chocolate mousse.
Let's see what a student thinks of the class.
Today we're making molasses cookies. I chose to take baking class because it's super easy and it's a fun elective. In order to take baking and pastries, we just had to do Intro to Culinary.
We hope you enjoyed learning about baking and pastries. This is Jackie Stetskill reporting for Jaguar Spots.
Wow, that sounds like a great time.
I wish I would have talked about biscuits.
Biscuit. That reminds me of a hockey puck.
The boys hockey team at Jefferson is off to a great start to their season.
Let's head to Ethan Parcone to get some more information.
Good morning, Jags. The boys and girls hockey season is just underway. Let's talk to some coaches and players to see how their season's going.
The season's going good. We're putting pucks away, and I'm really happy with how it's going. And we just got to keep doing what we're doing, and we'll be successful, I think.
Our season's going pretty good so far. We just got 2 back-to-back wins against Farmington and 2 Rivers. So, yeah, the boys are buzzing right now. And, yeah, we just need to keep working hard.
Season's going well. We're 2-2. I think we just need to work harder for the rest of the season and push through.
The boys' next hockey game will be on Saturday, December 14th at Mount Westonka, with JV playing at 5 p.m. and varsity playing at 7.
Wow, sounds like their season is going pretty well. I might have to go to some games this year. See you there, Jags.
I got to be sure to make it out to a couple hockey games this year.
That's for sure. Hey, Tom, one last thing before credits.
Last minute congrats. Congrats to Lucas Krieg and Megan Struton, who have been accepted into the prestigious University of Minnesota Honor Band.
Congrats to Charles Lindstorm, who qualified for the State Congressional Debate Tournament last weekend.
Congrats as well to the congressional debaters who placed at the JV/Novice Debate Tournament last weekend. Alexander Frank, Nawal Mohamud, Sarah Semakutu reached the quarterfinals, and Liam Carroll reached the final round and placed first.
Finally, congrats to our latest Jaguar ticket winners, Mamie Holm, Greta Hansen, Juan Martinez Castellanos, and Melina Young.
Ben Rupert, Brianna Miller, Max Wilton, and Will Heston. Well, that wraps up another Spots episode.
Stick around for the credits to find out what the Jags love doing during the winter. This has been Gabe Sturz
and Rowland for Jaguar Spots. See you next time, Jags.
And we're back here, folks, asking everybody what's their favorite winter activity.
My favorite winter activity is playing basketball. Gabe, what's yours?
Eating snowflakes when it snows.
My favorite winter activity is making snow angels with my nieces and nephews.
My favorite winter activity is playing a little pond hockey.
My favorite winter activity is playing basketball.
My favorite winter activity is sledding.
My favorite winter activity is making cookies with my family.
My favorite winter activity is drinking hot cocoa.
My favorite winter activity is ice fishing with my husband up north.
My favorite winter activity is basketball.
My favorite winter activity is skiing.
My favorite winter activity is running and or doing calculus, preferably both at the same time.